What's up? Today I want to show you and unbox the SanDisk SSD external hard drive. Is that good? What is the size and how I do the unbox series? Let us begin. A lot of people may ask why BaBa want to do the unboxing series. Some of the product I think is good to do the unbox. That's why I want to share with some parents. And then like SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This one portable SSD is the one I bought to replace the old one I have. This is my old external hard drive. 3 weeks ago it started to get a problem. First of all, I thought it's the wire has a problem. So is the connector not working? Then I tried to change it, and then it's still some problem. Some of my files it won't show up on computer, but it's not like it's gone forever. If like I unplug it and then plug it back, some of them is here, some of them is gone. And then I do it again. Next time probably those like that not show up, and last time it show up again this time. But this the one who showed up last time it gone this time. So that make me know I need to change a external hard drive. The hard drive is important for me is I always have the company work backup, probably some picture we take for the product, or now even I have like the video I take for YouTube, and then like probably my phone backup some of my kit image, a picture or videos. Those is not replaceable. It's not like tomorrow I can take another one, the same one. It's not. I always have different backup. One is like the hard drive at my home, and then one is the external hard drive that I can carry with me, and then one is in the computer. I have a 3 backup. So if all of them is gone, then I'm bad luck, and my problem I didn't like take care of it. Otherwise it's really hard. I lose the thing I back up with. So the external hard drive, like you see my old one, these are the size big. If now it's almost same as the new SanDisk, like the package that size. So it's heavy and big. And then when I buy the SanDisk, let me say you this is the one I pay money to buy it, and then it's not sponsored or anything. Why I want to do it, I will show you later how impressed is that. And then I was say wow, like when I open it. I already take a look first, and then before because I need to do some tests before want to do the video, because if this item is already damaged, defective, like then I don't need to say anything. I need to make sure they are okay first. I will keep it, we do it, because wherever I take video, the product I will not resell it or anything. Probably I will resell it as used, but I will not return it. Or let me take the video for that thing, and then after that, okay, I gain some view and then some people to subscribe me, I return it. No, I never do those. That is not what I do for unboxing, and this is not sponsored. So I pay for it. So they're good, it's good. They're not, it's not. So let me open it to show you guys now. Video, you will know I will not give detail, so you won't see like okay how fast like this external hard drive will be, and then like what the way. Those you always can see on the SanDisk website, on the place you buy it, or those online store, retail store, they will give you detail. I won't say like anything, or I won't read or like type all of those information out. What I want to tell you is pro or con they have, and then like how good they are. So you will see now. I open the box. This is the size. Why I need to take this video is because when I go to the website to look for it, the picture they show is almost like this one. So that is at the beginning I buy it, I thought it's like almost same as this one, so it's okay. So I have that size already, so it's fine. Like I'm good with it. But you can see the thickness is only half of it and then the size is also half of it. So how small the external hard drive right now, and then this one is 1 TB, and then my old one is almost same. They are pretty much this one a little bit bigger, and it's not SSD. And then I'm not saying like to try to compare them, is I just need to get a replacement. I thought this one will be around that size. After I get it and it is not, so that is where I said wow. And then that's why I decided to take the video. Okay, let me see what else in the box. So they have okay, and then they have a cable. So they are running for Type C. If your computer have a Type C, they will be really fast. But if not, they already give you one. It's like the Type C changed to the USB. So it's 3.0. So you also can use it. When you have that, like you will see they have a mark on the both sides. So if you on the other way, you won't fit. And then they have the hole, like if you want to hold on backpack or anything, fine. But for me, I will put inside the backpack. The size of it really small. And then that is really surprised me. And then I don't know why they don't put a better image on their website to show how small they are, so people will know better. Yeah, they have few pictures, but those pictures is not like to tell they are small. I know they have some other brand is even smaller than them. You ask me those brand and SanDisk, I will like SanDisk more because those are not like some common brand I know. And then the SanDisk, if you have this small compared to the old one I have, I'm not saying the Western Digital is not good, but on the size wise, for the external hard drive I need to carry with me every single day. I go to work, I go travel, and then everything. This is really lightweight and small and easy for me to carry over. That one, fine. I use that for 4-5 years too. But if compare, so you know. And then I have a computer with me, and I have other things to carry also. Sometimes I might carry a bottle of water too. And then for the speed, since they are SSD, and then they said they can up to 550, and I don't really test it. Those you can find a lot information on their website, or a lot of people do those tests, and then they really are close to what they are. They sometimes maybe drop a little bit, but it's really stable at a certain speed rate, and that is not what I concern. As long as they are USB 3.0, like they are fast enough for me to transfer like the YouTube video or the video for my kid, those large size folder files, that will be fine. Like as long as I don't need to sit there 1-2 hours to wait to transfer the video, fine. Also, they are small enough you can carry it easy. If you look for the SSD and then you are looking for the SanDisk and you want to know like the size, and then like the picture on the website is not clear enough, and then you don't look at those description like what size by what size they'll see my video, and you will know they are really small. Like it's totally different than what you see on the pictures. They are really good option, and I know other brands they are good too, or you can say they have a smaller, but like I say, for the small size and then the large brand, I know they are not expensive, size pretty good, and then the speed is okay. And then 1 TB now is good for me because I told you I have like 3 backup. My backup in this is temporary, probably few months, and then like 2-3 months I will delete from it, because this one is carried with me all the time, so I won't. It's like most update one, I will say. So I always like the old one, I will like after I install on different hard drive and then the computer, I will leave it there, and then it won't be on my external. I don't need them to be like 5-6 TB. I have the 5 TB with me also, so you know like how many only hard drive I bring 2 or 3, and then I have the USB drive. Those is like I have 128 gigabytes in my backpack. I have a 256 gigabyte always with me on my keychain, so you know like how often I have all the different like backup and data. So to protect like the video I have. And then like mostly my child's like image or my company image. Some of them like we might need to use it when I have another new selling platform or wherever, so I need to have some backup. And then those is important. Some I don't want to spend a lot of time to take picture or pay again for the same product that we originally already paid. If you look for the external hard disk and then you want to go for SSD, the stable one, and then the high speed one, SanDisk I will recommend about them. Use a few months or a year, something wrong, I might make another video. Otherwise, so far I use it is not a bad external hard drive, and then for the size I won't complain about it too. So I hope this can help you. If you like my video, give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. And follow my Instagram and Facebook. I will have video every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday I will have some educational video, and then Sunday will be some unboxing or some other maybe about cooking or whatever. I hope to see you next Sunday. See you soon.